What Gangnam Style?
Gangnam Style.
Am I in Provence? Am I in England? No, I'm in Xinjiang, the third world's largest provider of lavender in the world. Next to the lavender fields here is the Huanghuang Village, a peaceful little village that offers so much opportunity to have fun. So come with me.
Few people know that this quiet village used to be a traditional farming settlement, relying only on crop planting for a living. As Xinjiang's lavender industry boomed, local villagers seized the opportunity to transform. Many farmers turned their courtyards into homestays, workshops and cultural bazaars.
This is a traditional hotel, and this is the boss. 你很年轻，本地的吗？还有
是本地的。
本地的人。那个最好的天，那个冬天、夏天，还有那个春天，哪一个？
最好的时间就是从现在开始一直到8月底。从6月份开始，我们的薰衣草开起来了以后呢，整个周边全都是紫色的，而且整个村子是被香气环绕的。然后我们的院子的花呢，也会在5月中旬到6月份陆陆续续都开始开放。我们的花期伴随着从我们的5月份一直会开到10月到11月下雪，就整个院子里一直都会有花。
All of the flowers, the environment, it's sunny, such fresh air. Afternoon tea, very traditional in England. Cream. Ultra. In Xinjiang, they absolutely love to dance. Hello! Here we go. Traditional game in Xinjiang. Here we go. 可能这个吧。嘿！哎呀！好，谢谢你，谢谢。This place is all about a slow pace of life. Completely relaxed, wonderful environment. Everybody here is just sitting down, relaxing and enjoying their time. 迎面吹来了凉爽风。Come across a wedding here in Xinjiang. Unbelievable. You've got the husband and the wife here who look absolutely beautiful. Everybody's here clapping, applauding, having a wonderful time. The weather is glorious. Outdoor wedding. You've got the photographers coming over here now. Everybody is dancing. Wow. What Gangnam Style?
Gangnam Style.
From a little-known agricultural village to a popular slow-life tourist destination, Huanghuang Village is blooming together with the lavender fields.
Stay tuned for my next Xinjiang video and take care for now.